Hello guys, this is Eddie. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome back to another video. I am happy to tell you that update for Script Hook has been released and it will solve the issues of Script Hook error in which GTA does not load up and you are unable to access trainer scripts. Let's get into the video now. First of all, go to this script hook link in the description, download script hook and you'll get the zip file. Just open it with WinRAR and then go to bin, copy all three files into the GTA main directory and you're good to go. Quick reminder for you, script hook is used to access and utilize different scripts in GTA 5, whether it be trainer menu, car scripts, etc. anything. If you're wondering how to install and run mod menu into GTA 5 or how to install latest version of NV and QuantV, click on the cards shown on top right corner to watch them. I try to keep my 5M and GTA 5 tutorials as short and simple as possible. If you're still having any questions and queries regarding any of these, comment down below and I'll try to resolve your issue. If this video was helpful for you, I'd request you to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, don't miss to turn on the notifications so that you get notified next time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.